The purpose of this protocol is to enable the measurement of engagement of participants of a social digital game. This method combines physiological and self-reported data. As this game is social and therefore involves a group of people that move, the experiment is filmed in order to synchronize physiological data with events in the game. This is the material needed to perform the protocol. We will refer to the boxes as EDA box, the box used to record the EDA of the participant, light box, the box with the digital numbers, and sync box, the box that sends signals to the EDA box and the light boxes to synchronize data. We also need 2 armbands, EDA electrodes, EDA sensors, medical tape, and antiseptic wipes. Plug the EDA boxes, the 3 light boxes, and the sync box into the charging station. Place the consent forms, the pre-experimental questionnaire, and the jerseys on a table in the greeting area. Then, test the Bluetooth connection on the light boxes. Set the sync box to manual. Turn on the 3 light boxes. Turn on the 2 EDA boxes. Turn on the Bluetooth on the EDA boxes. Turn on the sync box and then push the pulse button on the sync box. The light box should flash the number 1. Then set the sync box and light boxes in place for the collection. Place the light boxes in view of each camera. Put the sync box on the tripod